Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Cotton has been a valuable raw material in the textile industry for centuries, remaining as important back then as it is today. This natural fiber is used in a variety of products, from light clothing to heavy sailcloth, giving a wide range for domestic and industrial applications. Its advantage lies in the fact that cotton fabrics are extremely durable and resistant to abrasion, while being comfortable enough to absorb and release moisture quickly. Cotton fibers form around the cotton flower seed, which can host up to 16,000 fibers. Thanks to its high demand, cotton is planted in large fields in various parts of the world. The process begins in spring when farmers plow the land and form rows of firm seed beds to sow the seeds. After approximately 150 to 180 days, the plant has grown about 3 feet and is ready for harvesting. This process involves twisting the seed from the plant, either by hand or using picker and stripper machines. Once harvested, farmers accumulate the product and load it into vehicles to be taken to the processing plant.
इसमें रॉ मटेरियल आता है, खेतों से कपास चुनाई हो गया था, यहाँ से एक प्रोसेस के ज़रिए मतलब मशीनों में जाता है, फिर वहाँ से प्रेस बेल निकलती है, दूसरी साइड पे इसका बिनौला निकलता है, वो उसके बिनौले से हम लोग खल बनाते हैं, वो सेल आउट करते हैं, और जो ये रुई वगैरह होती है ये मतलब टेक्सटाइल मिलों में जाती है, फिर वहाँ जाके इसका प्रोसेस है, कपड़ा वगैरह बनता है या कोई मेडअप्स का सामान वगैरह बनता है।
Such industries buy tons of raw cotton from several growing fields to process it in large quantities. Due to the large quantity that arrives at the factory, the cotton must be handled with excavators. this stored cotton is moved inside the gin building, usually metal frame structures that keep good aeration. In some facilities, the cotton is distributed in the storage area by an overhead dispensing system. Such distribution is done through long conveyors that move the product through the factory without the need for manual labor. By doing these operations, the processing facilitates and improves fiber quality.
इसमें मुश्किल पार्ट जो है ना वो बस ये रुई का ही है जो सबसे ज़्यादा वो है। मतलब यहाँ से जो इंजीनियरिंग होती है ना उसमें जो वर्कर्स वगैरह होते हैं या मशीनरी का जो होता है वो टेक्निकल काम जो है ना वो सबसे ज़्यादा वही सार्जिन खाता होता है उसको कहते हैं।
Once the clumps of cotton are improved and cleaned, they are sent through a gin stand machine. A gin stand uses the teeth of rotating saws to pull the cotton fibers through closely spaced ribs. The distance between the ribs is small enough to hold the cotton seeds, leading to the separation of the fibers. When the cotton has been ginned, the product is compressed into bales. Normally, the press machines produce rectangular cotton bales with standard dimensions.
मिक्स माल आ जाता है, कोई ऑर्गेनिक भी है, कोई मतलब वैसे भी जो होता है कोई अच्छा भी आ जाता है, कोई उसमें कोई हल्का बहुत मतलब मटेरियल अच्छा नहीं होता, लेकिन बेहतरीन क्वालिटी होती है हमारी कॉटन की।
Some of those machines are equipped with automated systems, but it is common to see workers aiding in the process. Such bales are moved to the warehouse for storage until they are moved to a textile mill. The properties of cotton make it the perfect material for the manufacturing of textiles like denim. Heavy-duty industrial sewing machines are the common tool used in the factory to handle thick denim fabric. Denim is typically dyed with indigo, which gives it its classic blue color, but it can also be dyed in other colors. Having produced the jeans, the company distributes its product directly to retailers to sell or to wholesalers. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.